Huge Russia is fraught with amazing natural landscapes. Boundless taiga and mountains, sand dunes and lakes with clearest water, deep rivers and desert steppe. Most of the reserved places are in the Asian part of the country. In Siberia near Krasnoyarsk, there is the Stolby Reserve, the pillars, with rocks of an unusual form, indeed looking like large pillars. In Yakutia, there is a similar reserve, the Lenskaya Stolby, the Lena Pillars. It's a complex of smooth, almost vertical rocks of up to 100 meters in height, stretching for many kilometers along the bank of the river. On the shore of the Baltic Sea, there is the famous Russian national park Euronian Spit, the sandy peninsula with huge dunes of up to 68 meters in height, and the famous dancing forest of coniferous trees with twisted, winding trunks. In addition, Russia has a kind of a huge open-air volcano museum, the Kamchatka Peninsula. In total, there are about 300 volcanoes, 29 of which are still active. The 6 separate sites in Kamchatka, where active fire mountains coexist with glaciers, geysers, hot springs, waterfalls, mud boilers as well as turquoise lakes, are recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Another UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Golden Mountains of Altai, includes reserves of the Altai Mountains, standing at the junction of the borders of Russia, Mongolia, China and Kazakhstan. The territory of Russia is like constellations of wonderful natural phenomena, famous or known only to a small group of tourists. For example, Russian Lake Baikal is the deepest lake on the planet. And its water is so clean that you can see the bottom at any depth. There are endemic species of animals here, the almost transparent Golomyanka fish, Baikal seal and Baikal amel. And the coast of the lake is surrounded by a chain of reserves, wildlife sanctuaries and amazing sites like the Shaman Stone, Cape Birkin on the Olkan Island, and the hot springs Zagzev and Kakyasi. The Sleeping Volcano Elbrus in the Caucasus is the highest peak of Russia and Europe. The drainless Lake Elton in Volgograd region is considered the Europe's largest mineral lake. There is, probably, no such natural phenomenon that Russia doesn't have. A natural arch? The Golden Gates in the Crimea? An ice cave? The Kungarskaya Cave in Perm region is probably the world's only gypsum cave with extensive glaciation. A beach with black sand? The Galactorsky Beach on the shore of Avacha Bay. You can find any miracle in Russia. And although the most interesting places are far from major cities, their beauty is worth a long and difficult journey.